In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of a PowerPoint slide. Whether you're preparing a presentation for a school project, a business meeting, or any other event, making sure your slides fit the content and the screen perfectly is crucial for a professional looking presentation. Let's dive into the steps that will allow you to adjust your slide sizes with ease. First things first, let's start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have the PowerPoint application open, you're one step ahead. For those who are opening PowerPoint now, you'll be greeted with the opening screen, where you can access recent documents or create a new presentation. However, our focus today is on altering an existing presentation, so you'll want to navigate to the file you wish to edit. Go ahead and open your file right from the opening screen. Double-click on your presentation, and let's bring those slides up on your screen. Once your presentation is open, we're going to locate the Design tab at the top of the interface. The Design tab is your gateway to a variety of formatting options for your presentation, including the one we're interested in today: changing your slide size. So, click on the Design tab to unveil all the tools you have at your disposal. As you scan through the options under the Design tab, you'll come across a feature labelled Slide Size. This is exactly what we're looking for. Click on Slide Size, and you'll see a drop-down menu offering a few predefined slide sizes like Standard 4:3 and Widescreen 16:9. But what if none of these options suit your needs? That's where the Custom Slide Size option comes in handy. So, proceed to select Custom Slide Size from the drop-down menu. A dialog box titled Slide Size for UAC will appear, where your presentation name is the title of your presentation. This box is where the magic happens, allowing you to tailor your slides down to the exact dimensions you require. Within this dialog box, you'll find a wide range of predefined sizes under the Slide Sized for menu, but if these don't fit your particular needs, you have the freedom to set custom dimensions for your slides. Look for the width and height options, and input your desired measurements. These can be in inches, centimeters, or pixels, depending on the settings of your PowerPoint application. This flexibility allows you to adjust your slides for specific requirements, such as fitting a billboard screen, a tablet, or even a custom printed format. Once you've selected or specified your new slide size, the only thing left to do is click on OK. A prompt may appear asking whether you want to maximize your content size or ensure it fits on the new slide size. This is important because it determines how the content you've already placed on your slides will adjust to the new dimensions. Make your selection based on how you want your content to appear, and voila, your slides are now resized. But before we wrap up, here's a tip. Always preview your presentation after changing the slide size. This ensures that your content still looks as intended on the new slide dimensions. Sometimes adjusting the slide size can alter the layout of images, text boxes, and other elements, so it might require a bit of tweaking to get everything looking perfect again. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to change the size of your PowerPoint slides to perfectly suit your presentation needs. With these easy steps, you can make sure your presentation not only conveys your message, but also fits beautifully on any screen or printed material it's destined for. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just in the content, but also in how professionally it's presented. Changing your slide size may seem like a small detail, but it can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of your presentation.